Hello YouTube, how's it going? Another Joshua's Motorsport race at the circuit to Barcelona, Catalonia. This time though, it's wet. Wet and wild or whatever. Yeah, it's going to be a wet race. I managed to set a qualifying time, but as you can see from these times, that's definitely a qualifying time. For 14 seconds slower than the first and first. So, you know, not great, but I did beat a lot of other people who didn't set a time at all. So yeah, that's my goal this race, is to just, with any wet race, the goal is to just live and you'll have a good result. That's what I'm going to try to do. Just survive. Oh boy, here we go. All right. I just need to live.
Seconds.
Oh, I'm going to turn my brake bias down a little bit more. Yeah, no sign of this rain stopping. You're on a wet tyre. Yeah, okay. All right, 55% brake bias. I don't want to move that back as it gets wetter, I believe. Yeah, so the track's only going to get worse and worse. What is the wheel doing? Are we okay, wheel? Do you want to go that way instead? Why are we centering to the side? Please go straight.
30 seconds.
Okay, alright. We're going to want to just chill the fuck out. A nice, easy getaway. I don't know what my wheel is doing. It really wants to turn to the side. Look at this.
10 seconds.
What the fuck is happening? Okay, whatever.
20 minutes. Alright, Josh. The track temp is 18. The air temp is 19 Celsius.
Nice,
it looks like it's raining.
easy
Okay,
start.
standing start. Get ready, mate. Go, go, go.
Okay, we're away in one piece. I can't see fucking shit though.
Right side. 3 wide, you're on the left. You're on the left, 3 wide.
I don't want to be here.
Still there.
Get me back on the track.
Right
Oh no,
side's clear.
bubble. Ugh.
Car left. It's clear left.
Oh god, it's wet.
Left side. Clear left. Car left.
Oh,
Still there.
don't.
Hold your line.
Oh,
Clear left.
oh, I had a bump. Oh, they made it 3 wide. Oh, Jesus.
Clear
No,
right.
ah, no, Mwang.
Car left. Clear left.
I needed that wang. Fuck. Okay,
Left side. Hold your line.
we're still in one piece.
Still there.
I still have a front wing, it's okay.
Still there. Still there. He's still there.
Ugh.
Clear left.
Alright, I've lost a lot of positions at the start. It was very slow going. I don't know how much the front downforce will matter, but... Oh, they're pitting. Oh, get over there. Okay, okay, okay. I have no idea what position I'm in, but it ain't good.
P10.
Okay, it could be worse, actually. I can't see anything.
The next car is Oliver, car number 10, C license, and their rating is 3.5.
Oh. Oh. I'm too scared to put my foot down. Oh, I'm sliding. Oh. Oh, we're dead.
Yellow
Oh,
flag.
fuck. Live.
Okay, Josh, we've just cut the track. Car right. Right side's clear.
Come on, baby.
Clear right.
Okay, okay, okay. Come on. No. Ah. Jesus Christ. Oh, I fucked it.
Car left.
Get over there.
Clear left. We've been warned about track limits.
Yeah, I ain't worried about that.
You have 6 incident points.
I'm really not worried
Car
about
in front
that.
of us is sketchy. Chan, car number 7, and their rating is 3.9.
Come on. Come on. No. Jesus Christ.
P8.
Oh my god, we're making positions. Come on, baby, just stay alive. Ugh. Oh my word. Watch out for that puddle. Oh. Puddle bad, chat. Did you know that? Oh. Come on. Please turn. Okay, 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 okay. Fucking hell. I think the commentary for this race is just going to be me making lots of wah noises. Ooh, yeah, like that. Live. Okay. I am not keeping up with the cars in front of me. Yeah, thanks, Carl. I had no idea. Fuck it.
The gap to Chan ahead is increasing. It's
turn
now
the car.
3.0.
Turn
P9
the car.
behind is increasing. It's now 7.7.
Okay. Well, now we're worried about the car behind me. Okay, okay, okay. Oh. Oh, they span or something? Or I'm just faster? I don't know, but just keep driving. No, that was a very fucking ambitious throttle press, Josh. No. Oh, alright. It's raining again. Go, 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 go. Okay, I think I'm in my own bubble again. This race. I think this is our lot.
Okay, Josh. We've seen a few spots of rain. Seems to be increasing.
Come on, get over. Yes, don't go over there. Okay, okay, okay. Yeah, we're getting into a bubble situation again. The cars in front of me are faster than me, and the cars behind me are slower than me. So this is just it now, I think. I just gotta try to stay alive. Oh, you prick.
The car in front is Centro, car number 6, and their rating is 4.2.
There's a lot of battling happening ahead though, so you know, anything could happen up there. But what's much more likely is that I just spin myself, you know? Come on.
Okay, Josh, the next car is
I'll get over
car
there.
number 10, C license,
Whoa.
and their rating is 3.5.
Okay, that's nice. Pedal. Go, go, go. Okay. God, this is so much work. Fucking hell. Get over. How long left?
You're breaking up, say again please.
How long left?
10 minutes remaining. We think about 7 laps to go.
Okay. Oh.
10 minutes remaining, 10 minutes.
Oh, okay, he was about to tell me. This race must be 20 minutes, not 30, right? Yeah, okay. I was gonna say, like, 30 minutes of this. Fucking hell.
The gap to Vince behind is increasing. It's now 12 seconds.
Okay, we're halfway home. I mean, I'd be quite happy with this. You know, race is a bit over at this point. We're just waiting for it to end now. I'm praying I don't make a mistake. Get over. Oh my word. Okay. Jeez, man.
P8.
I mean, I'll take 8th. I must be gaining I rating for 8th, right? Probably like 30 I rating. $44. All right.
The car in front of us is now Centro, car number 6, and their rating is 4.2.
I'll take 44. Hell yeah. Okay, let's get to the fucking end. Yeah, strength of field was really high, right, okay. Fuck! Ugh. Alright, we got loads of time. Ah, the paint! Okay. I'm gonna get lapped, aren't I? That's fine. Whew. 4th to 6th for battling. Okay, I mean, I'm quite far away from them, so I don't know how much it matters. They'd have to, like, literally kill each other. Get over. Oh. Oh. Come on. Oh, that's off track. Oh, it's fine.
The gap to Vince behind is increasing. It's now 16
Look at these
seconds.
gaps, they're huge. Oh shit. Okay. A little more rearward bias, maybe. Worried about locking the rears though.
Okay, Josh. 5 minutes to go. 5 minutes left.
It's pretty game over if you lock the rears. Ooh. Okay, let's try braking here.
The car ahead is
That feels pretty good.
car number 9, A license, and their rating is 3.7.
Ugh. Shit. Mom. Yes. Oh, fuck. That was a bit too aggressive. It's alright, I got it. Whoa. It's fine. Still too frontward on the bright bias, but I don't want to move any further back. I don't want to risk spinning. We'll just take it as it is. There's nothing to gain left anyway. Let's just get to the end. That might have been me on the racing line anyway, actually. Wah! Fuck. Jesus Christ. Get over.
Alright, Josh, the next car is Centro, car number 6, and their rating is 4.2.
It's fine. Not fine now.
13 incident points.
Oh. Oh.
Just 2 minutes left. 2 minutes to
Oh,
go.
just 2 minutes. Oh, the rears are not happy now. Come on. Yeah, Riz, I'm not happy. Yeah, P1's coming, yeah, they're always going to get past me. They'll get past me the next time I spin. Or do this.
The rain's almost stopped. Just a bit of drizzle now.
It's not as simple as whereas I brake though, is it? It's also like how much throttle I applied 2 corners before that and how fast I was going. Whether I was on the racing line. Like I could just keep braking earlier and earlier and earlier, sure, but you're slow as fuck. Easy. Sure, that's the dry zone, but like I'm also not lifting around this corner in the dry. You understand what I'm saying? Like, I'm like 100 kilometers slower when I reach this point. Hello, leader. I can't have this argument right now. I need to
on your
let
right.
this fly past.
Blue flag.
Go ahead, friends.
Clear right.
Okay. Alright, okay.
We've got light rain here, getting harder.
Yeah, last lap now. Or is this checkered, actually? This is checkered now. Yeah, okay, fine. I'm happy to have it end. No, I'm not. 7th crashed. No!
Car ahead is Vince, car number 9, A license. Their rating is 3.7. 8th place. There's the finish.
No, 7th is like right there. Ah. If I hadn't got laps, I would have taken 7th. Fuck. Damn it. That sucks. One less spin and I would have been 7th place. Okay, maybe I could spook them out now. They're already ahead of me, right? There's nothing I can do to... Should have defended versus P1. Oh dear. Alright. Oh wait, I can't get out of the car yet or it'll count as a crash, right? Bets haven't paid out yet. That was close. Huh. I don't know what I don't even know how to begin troubleshooting that Remo, so I'm just gonna disregard that, sorry. Okay. Has the bet's paid out yet? waiting for this guy, this Matt Vince guy to... He fucking pit!
That's the end of the session.
Oh my god, I so could have got 7th if I wasn't lapped. Fuck. Ah, buggery. Maybe they knew that, which is why they were going so slowly. Christ, what a race. Well, there were like 2 laps of a race, and then it was... What a survival. Jesus. I just can't see anything. What time is it?
12:23 PM.
Okay, plenty of time. Are there any big crashes I avoided in front of me? I don't think so, right? There may be behind me, but... Oh! Oh. Yeah, they survived 3 wide here, didn't they? Oh, yeah, and I bonked them pretty good there. How much did that damage my wing? Not much. Yeah, like... Not much at all.
Oh, hey, thanks.
Yeah.
Sinchis just subscribed.
It was such a slow crash. Thanks, Sinchius, for the Prime sub. Hello. Yeah, I lost a lot of, Yeah, new sub during iRacing, actually. Wait, holy fuck, you guys are right. What the fuck? As soon as you're thinking about the replay. Oh my god. An iRacing subscriber. What the fuck? Oh.
Oh, hey, thanks.
Blauer_Fasan just resubscribed for 37 months.
Thanks, Blauer Fazan, for 37 months as well. Oh my god. Okay, my fastest lap was a 150. What was the leader's fastest lap? 144. Okay, I mean 6 seconds off. Sure. Yeah, we're doing 145s, yeah. Christ. Oh. Oh. Oh yeah, there are a couple positions here. Alright, let's go back to the start and watch the watch all the crashes. Oh dear. Oh hey, it's me. This is me rear-ending the guy. Whoops. Oh no! Bottas confirmed for 2025 reserve driver at Mercedes. Feels Mick Schumacher, man. Oh dear. I wouldn't think Bottas wants to be a reserve driver, because then he still needs to go to all the races and shit and can't just do what he wants. Oh no! Ah. Nice. Cycle around each track. I mean, they already do, right? As part of the like track walk stuff. Ooh! Oh! Rip. Ooh, we're getting into each other. Oh no! Okay, kept going. Oh, we're gonna spin. Hey! Is that it? That's it. Lovely. What was my spin? Oh, whatever. Alright. Well, that was a laugh. What we got for results? Oh no. Oh no. All the safety rating I gained last race, I lost all that and more. A 0x race doesn't even give me that much safety rating. Jesus Christ. Oh, I gained 44 iRating though, like you guys said, so that's pretty alright, but shit. That's very upsetting. That's very upsetting. Oh no. Oh no. Fuck. Alright, well, thanks a lot for watching YouTube. See you in the next one. Bye.